your nib's too slow and your ink won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to help you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Greetings, my groovy inky friends. Today's review is going to be on the Visconti Homo Sapiens, the new line that they've come up with. If you've seen my previous video, if you've seen the Inferno, which is right here, which is a medium nib. And I will do then the comparison between this one and the one I'm about to show you. And let's take a look here. They come all in the same type of box. Cardboard sleeve, Visconti. Very nicely done on the front. We just slide that out. And believe it or not, I do like the Visconti pen case. It's a nice, sturdy, strong cardboard. With I do like the pattern of the box. That's kind of cool, interesting. And to give me an idea, if you like to draw and you use tracing paper, you can put that right over here and you can trace the little shape of diamonds and doodle with it, color it in.
Oh, that's their logo doubled up. Okay.
Yeah, and that's what I was going to say. You're correct. But that's what it is. You got the V down here, and then standing up there, it looks like a diamond, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. Beautiful diamond. Yep. Very good, Mr. Announcer. Wow.
Thank you.
Yes. Ta-da! And on the bottom, too. So, as we open this beautiful box up, here is this beautiful fountain pen, which I purchased from Federalist Pens and Paper. Look at this beautiful pen. Stunning. And let's see what's underneath. You have cards, your warranty card, which you need to look at and check it out. And then they have a little booklet on Visconti, so you might want to take a look and see what other kind of goodies they have. But the Voyager is a real nice one. You might want to check out Federalist Pens. They can help you with these Viscontis.
I haven't noticed before to see, but just noticed the color of the book matches the color of the pen.
That's true. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that cool? I like that. Huh. All right. Well, Visconti really has done some cool things, and they're changing up the game a little bit. They're improving their game, rather. So, I'm going to come back, and then I'm going to talk about the pen. Little history about it. Ink it up. Do a writing sample. Pen comparison. And I think that's going to do it. So, I'll be back. So, the Visconti Homo Sapiens, as you see here, is exactly like its brother, the Inferno. This one is the Sandstorm. Everything is the same. Measurements, weight, material, closing mechanisms, the My Pen system on top. It's just identical, just the colors are different, right? Beautiful colors. And I do love Visconti. Don't mind saying that. So, once I got this one here, the Inferno, and this one came with a 14K medium nib. Yes, piston filler. I got in touch with Frank at Federalist Pens and said, Frank, I need to get this Sandstorm. But I want to get this in a fine gold nib. I wanted to see how well the fine nibs are going to write compared to the medium nibs. As you all know now, the their gold nibs are in-house. They're all made in-house now, so. And I was really impressed with this pen. Totally impressed. Love the pen from top to bottom, inside and out, and that nib is to die for. So I'm okay, I'm going to go with the fine. So let's get right down to showing you how this fine writes with the sample, and then I'll show you how the medium compares against the fine. Pull off. So here we go. All right. All righty here. So no problems with the nib whatsoever. Nice wet smooth nib. Reverse writing for those who get into reverse writing. And it does perform well. And I'll just stop there. So no problems with the nib whatsoever. And I'm using the Mont Blanc Toffee Brown. So some fast swirls. So now we're going to do a downstroke and a cross stroke. So that's your, let's get a good shot of that nib. That's your fine 14K gold nib fine point, which is totally awesome. Now let's bring this little guy in here, and we're going to do a downstroke. And now this one is going to have the Mont Blanc corn poppy. Yeah, corn poppy red, I believe. Yep. So downstroke, you can see the different points on the nib. It's totally different. You get more of a width on the downstroke. On the cross stroke, same thing. So you can tell the difference between the medium and the fine. They are just so cool. And one more thing, just for the heck of it, if you wanted to change them out, can you? Let's see. You can. You can change out the colors and do that and be different. You can do it that way as well. Cool. For those people who like to change their game up a little bit, you can do that. As my pen rolls off the desk and gets destroyed and I go into a fit. So there you have it. So the next one I'm thinking about getting is going to be the Blizzard, the white one. I'm debating on a broad or a 1.3 stub. So, if any of you out there have a broad or a 1.3 stub on the new Homo Sapiens, leave me a message down below and tell me what you think of the broad or the 1.3. So what do you think about it? Awesome pen? Totally. Is it worth the money? In my opinion, totally. And I've been riding with them for a while now to make sure that they're going to hold up and do what they need to do. So the only thing I would change on a Visconti, and it's not a big deal, just me, have maybe a little longer grip. Now, I hold my pen here, so that's fine. And if you have big fingers, you can hold it here. I've done that as well. Hold it up higher. But, you know, but that's no biggie. Just my thoughts. But Visconti is in. They got incredible nib that will please the savage beast. Thank you for joining me today on Larry's Fountain Pen Review. It's been one heck of a show. Until my next review, stay safe, stay healthy, wash them their hands. As always, a lot of peace and love, and please don't text and drive. Bye-bye.